say? That way you feel for say?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Today's the first day of school, guys, and we're running a little bit late. I'm also gonna be going to the gym because we start by gym this morning. Because I'm already ready. Where's my phone?
Just come through the door.
Tristan, run go upstairs to my phone for me, please. I hear you for brush some more, please. Hurry up.
Oh, the phone is right here.
Oh, hold on for me. I need to take a picture now. Tamania, go brush back your hair. Brush your hair. Hurry up, we need to. There you go. Oh, go brush your hair.
It's a little bit more, right, Mommy?
Just brush it how it's supposed to brush forward. What if we go forward, go forward. Can't brush from here.
This, right?
Mind my phone. Let me watch. Careful. The oil here?
Yes, ma'am.
Go.
These shoes are weird, Mommy. It makes me feel like I'm stepping on something. These shoes make me feel like I'm stepping on something. But obviously I'm stepping on the shoes, but my back heel, Mommy, it feels like I'm stepping.
Mine too.
Like this, Mommy.
Where you? Carry it on the backpack. School bag come.
It feels like I'm
Upstairs.
stepping on
My phone there. Mommy, let me call you back in a minute. Let's take a quick picture of them here. Alright.
All the things I want to know. Secret start.
Can you guys do it? No, close it together. But you want.
Mommy, what's
You want one by
that?
yourself?
Oh, no. It's good.
No. Mommy, what is that on the thing?
Covered.
Spider upstairs.
Alright, so guys, we're running a little bit late. 8:35. I wanted to get out of here by 8:20. So just so we can drive comfortable, me not for the drive up and down, like drive fast, you know what I mean? But it is what it is. Good?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm showing you how this then look. This is Stefania. Turn around, give them a 360. Alright, and just the poo-poo.
What's good?
This is just the poo-poo.
Yeah.
I don't know, he zip up himself this morning. I don't know what's going on for him. He's supposed to be a cool kid. And obviously they not have on them bag in the car. Go, Tilly. Lock your car properly.
Can I start the car, Mommy?
What?
Just press the...
Yes.
I have to press the brake first before you can press the brakes.
Oh, I forgot. You don't have a clutch.
I don't got a clutch. Go. Guess I'm running a little bit late. Let me go get the kids them together, and then when I reach, get them settled and everything, let me come back to you. This is not what today's video was supposed to be looking like. I had everything all planned out in my head to have you know, the whole waking up to the breakfast making. But Troy's schedule has changed a little bit. He doesn't go to work at 7 o'clock anymore. He goes to work at 8 o'clock. So what that means is that he's home longer. So he got up this morning and he made breakfast. And what is traffic? Traffic, people.
Because every time when you're late, we have a traffic.
No, too funny because
The opposite.
they're going back to school now.
This is the opposite. Woo! Get your green light, get your green light, get your green light, get your green light.
I don't like it.
Well, I went through it, so.
That's why I tried to change. I hate it.
You missed the bus, so you had to do
No, I don't miss the bus. I wasn't gonna put you guys on the bus for the first
Exactly.
day. Unless I can't.
This is the best day I've ever had.
What?
Oh, is it the best day? Your days them not take much to make it be
Mommy,
best
do you
day.
know what school stands for?
What? What am I say? I don't remember what I was saying. Yes, I was saying to you that this was not supposed to be how I planned the video this morning. I was supposed to be getting up and stuff like that. But anywho, tried at home. So he got up this morning. He made porridge for the kids to get up and back snack and stuff like that. And you know, okay, I'm going to school. I never really like dropping them off at the bus stop unless
Do you know what math
I don't
is?
know. Right now, I feel like something on my face and I can't take it out. When I don't understand if I don't realize. So today I'm gonna drop them at school right now. Again, you guys didn't get a chance to get the whole process of getting them ready today, but that's okay. We can do that another time. we can do it another time. Not maybe first day, but just getting ready to go to school. Something like what we did before. And I'm starting gym again today. We're gonna have some errands on the road. I'm just to get synopsis of what's gonna happen. Synopsis on the road. Synopsis on the road. I have a couple errands to run on the road after I finish gym, and then we're gonna go home and juice some watermelon because as of today I am on a watermelon and water diet only. So I'm just gonna be juicing watermelon, eating watermelon, drinking water. Yeah, for 1 month. So let's see how well that work out, because the first day I'm gonna try, that never work out very well. That had only system has lost power. Push and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds. What's going on with that? So the first day I'm in the pan with the whole juice, with the whole fruits and vegetables, that never lasts very long. That lasts maybe like 2 days. But I'm gonna try to be consistent with this one because I need to lose some weight and see how that works out. But anyway, as I said before, let me drop these kids at school and I'll get back to you guys. Guys, everywhere we turn is traffic. Why? And it is now 8:52. We got 3 minutes to reach over school. Like, what is going on?
This is gonna take.
Watch out, mommy.
Huh?
Car coming.
Oh, man, be careful with me. Like, this is crazy. Hold on. The sideline start over here, son? Is that start?
Yes.
I'm going to kill Lord. Goins. Is that me just to make for late? Man, it's all of me. So bumping. Is it? Are you love me? Jesus.
Oh, you think it's a love bump?
I must love bump. I can't hate bump. What?
He just said you're dumb.
You say me dumb?
It's a joke.
Yes.
It's just joking terms. Oh, they fixed the road.
What time? 1 minute. 1 minute ago, I can't even...
Mama, the earth is cool.
I know, right? Because we were like 10 minutes early just now. How did this happen?
It's either what's it called?
Traffic not even a move. Are you jinxed it, man? I tell you, man, you put that out in the atmosphere, like, literally said we're 10 minutes early, and then you were like, and the earth, you know, the earth has a way of making things late.
Look, woman. The earth is just chilling. Oh, you can go through that light. You can go through that light. Yo, was that Tristan's talking? Yo, the earth is so cruel. We're not gonna make it.
No, for real, because
I bet.
Everything was doing green light this morning. We go green light, we just like go green light, so until we reach just bam. Until the whole 10 minutes.
It was me.
How you do it, man? Get your 2 green light passed already. 2 green light go already again.
Say goodbye to being early now.
8:55, 100 dots. Jeez,
They can't close with all of these cars.
Mama,
That's gonna be dumb. If they close with all of these cars, man.
Mama, I told you you're gonna be late, but you didn't care.
Who never care?
You.
Don't say
You were
that.
busy on your phone.
Don't say that. That's not true. They must give an exception this morning as a first day of school because there's no way. So all the time people in the, where them I go? They might come out to the line for jam at the line. What are they doing?
Or maybe they're just going straight.
No, I see them go and then they might put some of the indicators for go. So unless they're not part of the school, I hope they're not going to forget jam at the line. Well, they're not board me still because technically they're still in front of me. Masha, you see? They might come out to the line.
Mama, it's so much signs around the school.
They're saying welcome back.
Like they're all just coming out of the line. No make no sense. That's stupid that this man sitting on the line all this time not knowing if they might go straight. Like what am I getting right in the corner line? I'm so fooling. Well, I have already late this morning because this line I would agree on the school for drop off. I feel no faults. You Tristan fault. Tristan might be late. You jinxed it. That's what you did. That's what you did.
Mama, read that sign right there. Welcome back to school.
Great job. That's what I'm talking about.
No, because I told her about props.
Shut up. Make sure.
You always say that every time.
Because I told you.
Nobody asked you, man. You love dim people shine too much.
Yeah.
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 I still gave her props though.
Yeah.
For memorizing.
Yeah. Welcome back to school. I see so many signs that say welcome back to school.
Can't wait to feel welcome to school. You don't get it?
No, we get it.
Get it?
No.
You know, I'm coming to say, no, sodomite, man.
Ready?
Join the line and I back like everybody else. Join the line like everybody else, sir. Sir.
I'm not sorry. I'm a man.
What?
I'm a woman.
Oh.
I said I'm a cell. I'm a woman.
Yeah, woman in your panty.
Stop talking, mommy. Don't like me.
Why?
I don't like you, sister.
Stop
I
it.
don't like you.
On the R, stop it.
What?
Like
Mommy, stop talking.
She threw man a ground for the red light. Throw man a ground for the red light. I'm not gonna see it for sure now. Oh, the throw man just grown or something for the red lights.
What
Daddy,
is
time for driving.
wrong with this woman? Oh,
Watch out, this woman I don't get licked in her backstage too.
what is wrong with this boy?
She's supposed to join the line down there so she come on board if you get one looking at her body. Marv. Watch her go. She ever board the line.
Just time.
Alright, but we get it.
But they got demonstrate.
Mommy, did you wish you
I
can
know
be
who
on
the-
that side?
You know who the blow.
Mommy, did you wish you can be on?
I know they're not going inside.
Who the guy say?
I must be bugging. I know I didn't see no T. Alright.
How about this man and go? Where I do? Where the sir?
Peep again. He didn't hear you.
How about the?
Now he's another idiot blind in front of us. Mommy, he's an idiot too, you know.
I swear to God. I'm lucky door.
No.
And get on stuff together.
In this traffic.
If you know, you want it out of the traffic?
I'm gonna unbuckle my seatbelt.
Them still
Reggie!
outside. The door still open.
Mama, Reggie!
Reggie out there dance.
Reggie is the bluebird.
He's an owl too.
Welcome back
Mama.
to school.
Do you know that is not real? He's a human inside of it.
Yeah, you know, it's a mascot.
Pretend it to
I know
be
who's
Reggie.
in there though.
Who?
It's Miss Ilka.
You want the happy one?
What?
The one that always happy?
The one that's happy, like,
Mhm.
happy in the road right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's Miss Cat.
Happy duo.
It's
Her daughter, mama, she used to go to the school, but she left, mama. She would,
She the happy too.
yes.
She the too happy for you?
Yeah, mama, I can't even tell you.
I know
Like,
Miss Cat.
she was so happy it was annoying.
It's a good thing to be
It's
happy
Miss
though.
Jackie.
Mama, it's Jackie.
Miss Jackie! Well, I am good. I'll see you later. Thank you. Just saw the school bus
So
driver.
happy. She was like, can you please tell Tawana to stop hitting me?
Just not the one stop hitting your brother.
Coke.
Alright, come. We almost reached. Tell the vlog bye from now.
Bye for now.
And see you later.
I see you later.
Hey, stop going like you're not damn cool kid. I said bye bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Him love going like him cooler than nobody else to see. Alright guys, let me drop them off and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, I am finally here at the gym. I left my water, I left my watch. To be honest, this morning I had to literally fight myself to say I need to go to the gym. Normally if I go to the gym and it was planned, but I just didn't feel like it anymore. You know what I mean? But I know I had to do it. So I am here. Luckily I have extra water in the car. I always have extra water in here, even though they say I mustn't leave water inside here. But nobody can actually tell me why I mustn't leave water in my car. So far I'm still alive. So we have water in here. So I'm gonna do that and we're just gonna go. We're just gonna do this thing. So let's go. People are pop bad and me no pop bad pants up it. But now that she's out, don't fix myself properly. It's much better. I try to find all I'm gonna come to gym. I try to find my the app. I left the water. Thank you. Just finished the gym and about to go into Burlington. I come put on my bag. I'm gonna walk up and down with that. And my water. Put the water at the front. What time is it? It is now 10:39. I think I did an hour. I worked mostly on my butt today. Please go away. What did you say that go? I worked mostly on my butt. One bees today won't come in on my camera, won't come sting me. Take off my gloves here. Where am I going with the gloves? Alright, we're going into Burlington. A couple things. I think in Burlington I need make a list. I need lip balm and black socks. Sorry. Alright, we're looking for some socks for Tavania. Oh, this looks so cute. I'm not coming here for bad. It's not guys, but let me see this. Actually, it's $16. So cute for her. Let's get up here. This is so cute. Lots of socks. See if I can find some kitty black socks, guys. You don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't buy no black socks for her. I did not buy any black socks for her to go to school. These are like all adults. I'm not too big for her. No, I'm never buying no socks for her. Black socks. I swear she had. I swear she did have. Let's see if we can find some for her. And I want some lip balm. That's all I really need in here. Look up here, so. I do white mention my white socks at all. 68. This is perfect for her though. This is good for her. So the thing is, I was thinking, I saw a pack at Walmart for same $6.99, right? But it has all black, and then it has like some little color at the top, like you can match her dress and stuff for she'll wear. So I think I must just do that along with getting the lip balm just delivered. And just don't bother do nothing in here, so I think me don't do that, you know. In case you don't need my white socks. Walmart. I started it this morning, so. Alright, so I'm gonna add like 3 pack of that. So the thing is, Walmart, when you shop and do certain things, not if you get the free delivery something. So you have to do over $35. I'm gonna ask for something to buy Walmart. What else do they need? Black socks. Alright, and I refuse to pay the $6 for the shipping. I refuse. I'm not doing it. You know what? We're gonna go in the car, do this, and then we'll go in our Dollar Tree. Oh shit! I have the back for BFO. Oh, where the place at? The place at. Went in cool and came out hot. AC, please and thank you. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I ordered almost everything on Walmart just now because why not? And I was gonna do it this morning, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna be right close to Burlington, so why not just do it in Burlington? But when you go in Burlington, as I showed you the black and the white socks, Tavania has so many white socks that I bought, and the one in Walmart has a mixture of black, like as I said before, it has the black with the cute colors at the top, and then you have the plain black. But Walmart is like, you have to purchase over $35 for them to do free shipping or free delivery, and you know I'm gonna pay for the $6 something that they want to charge, so I had to just add a whole bunch of stuff just now. So what I ordered stuff I necessarily didn't need like immediately, like me could I really do without, but I was gonna purchase it eventually, you know what I mean? So I got me the socks. I wanted some lip balms as well, so I ordered 3 of those. I have, and they're coming today. There are some other stuff coming today. I'm also gonna like revamp my pantry real quick, so I ordered you know the what do you call it, the bookcase thingy majig. I ordered one of that and some plastic thingy for it to come. Everything gonna come together. Where is the shipment that I just did? Where's the delivery? Where's the thing that I just made? It not show me. It not come to August 29th. It's a Thursday. Jesus, please. At first it was saying it was gonna come today. Damn, and it's not gonna come until Thursday. So I ordered some fettuccine pasta. I'm gonna cook this evening. Let's see if I forget when I fettuccine. I can't wait for it to come. Oh my god. Why You said today. Anyhow, I don't need nothing for this right immediately, apart from the socks. What do I do? You see, I can't cheapness because this is not coming just don't want. You know what? Anyhow, let's see what's my app on the list of many forget. Damn. Alright. Going over by basically all of these things I'm gonna actually order right to Stop and Shop, that's which I'm going to go in Stop and Shop. I'm gonna need hot dog bread and shrimp and grape and spinach. Alright, I'm gonna just get one of the fettuccine. I think I'm gonna do pasta feta for Tristan today. Yeah, I'll see pasta from when. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Dollar Tree, go into Stop and Shop, and then go Family Dollar, and then go my yard, and then go juice those things. I haven't eaten anything all day. I am dying. So it's 11 o'clock. So let's go. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you though. Went into Burlington for those things. Didn't buy any of what I wanted, but I came up with a bag for Tiffany. It's so cute, right? It's so cute. Yeah. All right. Now let's go Dollar Tree.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
Hello, yellow. I am back. I am home. I am starving. I don't know much. I don't know why home I have so much energy. But since I didn't take you into the stores completely, I'm going to give you like a little haul or something. You understand? So the first thing I'm going to start with is background look horrible. I'm going to clean up their boxes and I'm going to explain their Amazon boxes and stuff. Okay, stuff. Don't mind the background right now. I already showed you about this bag for Tivania. Just a little cutesy backpack. That's from Burlington. And then I went to Family Dollar. That's not extra Family Dollar. My husband, as usual, broke stuff. So he broke, let me check. So I had a couple of these and he broke one of them. They're on the side of the stairs, going upstairs, right? Well, upstairs and downstairs. So he's gonna pay me back. They're $5, but I want it back and I want interest, okay? Because he keeps breaking stuff and I keep on buying them back. Anywho, Family Dollar bought this like 4 years ago. Wasn't sure if they still had them. I went up, they had two last one. This one looked very familiar because I'm like, I called him, I said, do you remember the one you broke? He said I didn't want to buy the same one. But then I said, you know what? He's not sure. So I'm like, let me buy both of them because I'm gonna break one more. I know it was gonna break. So we have a backup. So I bought these two to put back. This one I want to put because this is actually the one that's still there. So luckily, I didn't buy this one alone. Understand? So that's it from Family Dollar. Oh, and I also bought, because the lip balm them now come on time, I actually bought a pack of Carmex. Since they're not come on time, because the kids them need them. Right? So that's that from Family Dollar. Alright, now from Dollar Tree, I did not get I wanted the plastic container I told you about because I'm redoing the pantry, or not redoing the pantry, just sprucing up the pantry. Because we went to the supermarket on Sunday, right? Long story short, went to the supermarket, did not get to take you guys because I was exhausted and I was just not in the mood. Bought a whole bunch of stuff. It's back to school. TJ going back to college, the kids them going back to school. We want to make sure they have stuff, right? So I don't think I've ever spent so much money at the supermarket. Just put it that it was a lot of money. It was a lot of money. Yeah. It was over $1,000. But there are a couple things that I still did not, well, that's not what I was going to say. There are a couple things that I still did not get because we didn't buy no meat nor nothing. I came home and I'm like, oh, we buy all these things, I was still not have certain things. I don't know. Anywho, long story short, the reason I was telling you that was because I'm saying everybody just came and just threw things down there, all boxes and everything, just pack up in the pantry, you know, you have no space. I did spruce it up a little bit yesterday, but after going through that, I'm like, I need some more shelving, which I have always been saying, and just never do it, just never get the time to do it. So yesterday I'm like, you know what, if you know anything about me, as I think it, I buy it. So I bought it yesterday at Walmart. It's supposed to be coming next week, and I bought some plastic containers to like kind of just store to organize stuff, right? So I'm like, I'm not gonna buy a whole bunch of this because you can't get Dollar Tree, you can't get the clear ones at Dollar Tree. But went to Dollar Tree, they did not have any, so I reordered some more the clear container is supposed to be coming today. The ones that I purchased yesterday. So I will show you those, and then the next bit will come when the shelving thingy coming. Alright? Anyway, so I did not get those. I got some forks and stuff because I totally forgot to get some. I had already gotten some plastic plates and stuff in BJ's, but I forgot the forks because the kids, for some reason, they want to bring lunch to school. So I got those, a spoon and forks. I got, you know, so my baddest with use right now, because I never like my mouth taste. I say if anybody talks to me, I don't feel away because I'm hungry, right? And I had already bought like a whole pack of this at BJ's. Waste money. But this was supposed to be left in the car as the car chewing gum. The car gum. Chewing gum. Car gum. Anyway, so that I bought that from Dollar Tree as well. I got this at the cashier. One of the main reasons I really went into Dollar Tree was to get some glasses. Because with TJ being down here and his father, they broke all the glasses. I have no glass. Literally no glasses, especially the small ones. So I got me 4 of these. So 2 them need for wash. Let me put them on press right now. So 4 of these. I ain't got no space to put them in there. Go over. May I buy stuff for break? May I buy stuff? I'm not supposed to put stuff like that. That make no sense. So I went to the space where I needed before. And I got me 4 of these. So like the same exact thing but the bigger ones. Because again, they're all broken. And it makes no sense me go buy like the expensive ones and they're gonna break anyway. So Dollar Tree it is. And them can't all. Ooh, them can't all. Them cannot hold more jism. Okay. Fit. Jesus. Guys, they're supposed to be washed, but right now we're not doing that right now. Don't break. Please don't break. Come on, ball now. No space to push the force them in. So that was it from Dollar Tree. See all the boxes reach over there? Yeah, they're supposed to be taken outside. Anyway, now we went to Stop and Shop. In Stop and Shop, we got some hot dog buns. Savannah actually wanted hot dog to bring to school for lunch today, but I didn't buy none of BJ's with all of the money we spent. Did not get any bread either. So we got hot dog buns and bread. So, this is the fettuccine pasta. I did buy pasta, but I didn't have any of these, any fettuccine, right? And I just ordered some from Walmart, but I need these now to use in the pasta that I'm going to be doing today. So I bought me 1 single pack. I also wanted some heavy cream. They did not have the heavy cream, so substitute is I got some evaporated milk. Grapes. Bought a whole pack of grapes. I bought this on Sunday. Today's Tuesday. Bought this on Sunday. You see how big? Bought this on Sunday. Today's Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 2 days. 2 days. 2.5 days. Got Tuesday, 12 o'clock. And it's done. And this was bought Sunday evening. So I had to get me some more grapes. So I'm gonna wash these and put them up. Okay, so I just washed those. They're draining off. Got me some shrimp because the shrimp, I didn't see the shrimp that I wanted at BJ's. So I got 2 pack. 1, I think I'm going to use 1 because I'm not going to be able to eat pasta because of the diet that I'm on. And we only have, what else? What else? I heard something. Okay, TJ texted me. Alright, today's his first day too, even though he went up yesterday. All my classes are around, my first day is straight exercise. All my classes are around 10 to 15 minutes away from me on the same building. Okay, so I gotta check up on him because I didn't check up on him all morning, so I texted him on my way coming in. So yeah, 1 pack of TJ not here that I was supposed to say, and then he messaged me, and I won't be able to eat any, so I'm just gonna be using 1 today. Why is it horrible? Alright, so that's that. My text them back. I'm just gonna do this so I can take them back. Breadcrumbs. Panko regular and panko season. Now these, I wanted these because Tristan keeps testing me to make mozzarella sticks, right? So at BJ's we did get the sticks, so I'm gonna chef it up and make mozzarella sticks for it. Alright. We got spinach, 2 bags of spinach to put in the pasta later. And son loves chicken patty, so he kind of start making his own burgers and stuff now. So about chicken patties, he used the air fryer and he made his own chicken sandwich, which I love. So my baby is growing and turning into a very independent, responsible young man. So yeah, so that's that. And that is all I got. At Stop and Shop, I spent, what did I spend? Dollar Tree, I spent $14.62. Family Dollar, I spent $14.41. That's like a lucky number. How much I spent at Stop and Shop? Stop and Shop, I spent $65.37. And in Burlington, I spent $19 on the bag. And Walmart, maybe like $100. Anyhow, that is that. So now I'm gonna pack these out properly and we're gonna start juicing. These came yesterday. These are actually the juice bottles that I will be pouring the juices in. They look kind of small still, but this is what we'll be doing. So we're gonna juice. Troy already cut up the melons yesterday. We bought 2 melons. We have 1 still in the bag here, so, and he cut up the other one that I can eat and juice. So in this container, this is what I'm gonna be juicing. I'm also gonna do some cucumber and ginger as well. So these are, yep, watermelon. And then I have another container in the fridge to eat. And then this is to munch on. And then Tamani love watermelon. She started eating stuff yesterday, but I'm like, no, you have so many other things to eat, and this is all I can eat. So this and water. I bought some huge bottle of water as well because I'm gonna go back to my original water bottle on my buy. I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is a whole gallon, right, with the motivation speech on there. So I bought gallons of water to throw into this because this is my bottle, not new bottle. I have this like for like 2 years, if not 3 years. Use it like a couple months and put it back down, park it and just stop. But I'm going back to our it. So that's, yeah. See the before body, okay? This is the before body. We're gonna start the progress and let me know, okay? Let me know. So let me pack out these things real quick, guys, and as soon as I'm gonna start, because I'm so hungry, I don't even know where I get so much energy from. But when I'm gonna start juicing, I'll come back to you, okay? So hey guys, I am back. I took a shower, guys, the girl dirty and stuff. I also prepped the juicing, so I have 4 cucumbers washed and ready here. I have my watermelon here. I have some ginger. Come off it. Come off. I have some ginger here, and I also washed 10 of the bottles. So I washed 10 of the bottles here, and I have them draining. So the bottles look a little bit small, right? But never mind. They came. Oh, luckily it came with a filter because I cannot find mine, and I hope this works. It looked kind of fragile, frail, and stuff. But hopefully this works. It also came with a bottle washer, which is awesome. So I just washed them out. He also comes with some labels. But anyhow, haven't used this juicer for a very long time. So I went ahead and I washed this, clean it up and stuff. You know what I'm having juicer? Oh my god. I think me use it. If me use it 2 times, I use enough. I'm gonna start off with the watermelon first. This is a lot. Ooh. And you're powerful. Alright.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise I won't quit, keep going.
Guys, you realize that pure juice come over here, so too. Pure juice come over here, so why it look like it leak? Why is it leaking? This is what I have so far out of 3. So I'm going to pour this in here. And actually fill it. So that's good. So that's 1 down.
Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Aim up, change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Alright, so I have one more piece of melon remaining. And I already have 4 bottles of watermelon juice. Guys, and you know how I'm hungry now. I am so hungry. I did have like 3 pieces of watermelon before I took a shower. And right now I am deading. So I don't even know how long I can actually do this for. I don't know. But I want you guys to motivate me in the comment section, right? And let's see how long I can last.
On everything is killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work harder.
I think I'm gonna run it off to 6 bottles. I'm gonna get one more piece from the... I'm doing 1 piece from the ones that I actually will be eating. Or 2 piece. So 1 piece I should do. 1 piece and 1 cut it in 2. Yeah. I need something to eat right now. Guys, when I say I haven't eaten anything apart from the 3 pieces of watermelon, and that would be my life for the next month. It's not 2. And then after this we're gonna do the cucumbers. The good thing about this watermelon is that it's actually sweet. So it's not like I'll just be drinking water, you know what I mean?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of this shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great.
A little bit of watermelon, cucumber, and a little bit of ginger. Look like I'm gonna actually get the 4 bottles full.
I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this
I
is
just remember this morning I didn't take my pre-workout. This morning I was not ready for the gym at all. I think I'm gonna go 5 o'clock tomorrow instead of 9 o'clock when I drop the kids. I'm gonna go over to Famous Footwear tomorrow because the socks that I bought for Tristan, they're way too small. So this morning I put them on and put on one and I'm like, these are actually for Tavania for real. So I have to bring them back. I'm gonna. Alright guys, so that is it for right now. And just do laundry and everything, but I don't feel like I'm doing laundry right now. It's now 2:35. I'm gonna sit for a second. Whereas I'm hungry. I'm gonna drink one of this. I'm gonna put them to chill. Munch on some more melon and some water. And then clean this up. I'm gonna lie down. I have the shrimp out thawing out. So grab the kids around 4 o'clock. And then I will end the vlog when I pick them up. Alright? Okay. Alright. See you later. Alright guys, many hours, not gonna say many hours, maybe like 1-2 hours later. I am here at the bus stop waiting for Tristan and Savannah. Tristan just texted me telling me that he's at the stop before this because they're running late. And so I'm just waiting. Guys, I'm hungry. Guys, my hunger bad. Me hungry bad. I'll try to hold out still, but like I don't know why I think I can just cold turkey, just drop all food. After I stopped with you guys and I was cleaning up the trash, what I got from the melon and the cucumber, guys, there is so much juice still in the trash thing. So what I did was strain it out and I got like more than a half glass of juice. So imagine finish all of that. So I put everything to get cold and stuff, and I just had a piece of melon before I left home. Drank that, and I'm gonna drink some water. But I'm so hungry. Well, let's see how long I can do this for though, but I'm holding out for at least a month. And the fact that I'm drinking so much liquid, going to the bathroom so frequently, it's annoying. It's really annoying. But anywho, I'll let you guys know when the kids are here to hear how their first date was. When I cut off the video the last time, I went in bed I drank the juice, went and I started watching a movie, and I think I started dozing off. And by the time I started dozing off, the alarm started. So, I just feel really exhausted. Tomorrow I'm gonna try, as I said before, do the 5 o'clock. Run go over by Famous Footwear, exchange those, and see if I can get some new socks for Tristan. And come home and wash, because I haven't washed yet. Yeah, and hopefully the food I'm gonna cook today can actually serve for tomorrow, so I don't have to cook. So I haven't cooked yet, but I'm going with the kids some shrimp pasta. It's not gonna take a long time. Guys, hungry. I know I said this a while ago. I just haven't know I'm hungry. And normally when I'm hungry, I'm not the best person to be around. So I'm just sorry for me, I'm sorry for people around me. So pray for we, pray for them especially. I'm just saying, okay? You'll hear about it. You'll hear about it.
Back in early school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was the only way I can get you right back in. It's so long.
Are you gonna make pasta today, Mama?
It's a hat. Say hello to the vlog.
Oh.
They are here.
Are you gonna make
Tavani's
pasta
a little bit
today,
mad.
Mama?
Yes, that's true.
Let's go.
She said Tavani's a little bit mad because I didn't get one of the plushie from school. But how was school differently though? Apart from you not getting
School
the
was
plushie.
valid. School was valid.
Mr. Cool Kid, school was valid. School was valid. Had a great day.
My teacher was.
You know, hot in that jacket.
No,
Are you serious?
I'm fine. I was in a jacket all day.
Why? Tevi, apart from you not getting the plushie, how was school? You don't want to talk about it. That's not nice. Was it that bad? Was really bad? All of the day, or just the last part when you didn't get the plushie?
3 parts of it.
3 parts?
Yes.
Oh no, I really want to hear. What happened?
Outside and my neck was dry and I need some water and I need to wait 2-3 seconds. And I couldn't, it feels like I couldn't breathe anymore.
When you were outside on recess?
Yes.
So did you ask?
I played at the big girls' park.
You did?
Yes, not at the little girls' park.
So, and you asked the teacher to get some water, and what happened?
And she said, wait for 3 seconds.
3 seconds is not long though, Mama.
But I really need some water really bad.
Did you get the water though?
Yes, but she was calling table and I need to wait.
I'm sorry about that, Mommy. If it was 3 seconds, you sure it was 3 seconds or 3 minutes you said? Because if it was 3 seconds, that is not bad.
3 minutes.
3 minutes? Alright, so I'm gonna need to make Miss Hayes, because I don't know why if you want water away, you can't drink it right away.
I like Miss Hayes.
You like her?
Yes.
Or she wants you to tell her to wait a little bit?
No.
Who told her
With
to wait?
another teacher in our class.
Really?
It has a lip gloss on and it has a black and red shirt.
What's her name?
I don't know. Miss S.
Miss S?
Yes.
Oh, what is man? Alright, so apart from the water situation, what else happened?
And then I didn't get a plushie.
And you said
Even a shirt. Not even a single.
they were given. Why didn't you get a plushie though?
I don't know.
Did anybody in your class got it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry you had such a bad day, but tomorrow's gonna be better, okay?
You haven't cooked together in a while, Mama. Like, huh?
You don't cook today? Alright guys, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. The kids are here. I'm gonna go home and cook the pasta that I told you guys about. And I am dying of hunger. But anywho, if you enjoyed watching this video, I don't think I asked you through the whole video. If you enjoy watching this video, please go ahead and drop a comment, and share the video. If you haven't already subscribed and it's your first time over here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And for all my OGs, thank you so much for your support. So until later, guys. Bye. Say bye, people.
Bye.
Really?
That way you feel
Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for sad. That way you feel for sad.